guys, it's your girl Bobbi Bamf coming at you from my bedroom. Today's video is going to be me basically cleaning out my PJ drawer. Like, I have all these shirts that I sleep in that it's just gotten to the point where there are so many fucking like shirts. I have a whole drawer that's fucking pretty much huge, filled with all these fucking like old t-shirts I sleep in, and decided I need to make space, so I'm going to be getting rid of some. I would say I'd probably like to have like at least 10 shirts. I don't know, depending on how many I have. I like to keep at least 10 though. If possible, maybe 5 more, 15. But either way, I'm going to do a try-on of each shirt, and I want you guys to tell me which ones. Well, actually, you guys can't tell me because I don't allow comments, but yeah, I don't really care. I'm just going to try on each shirt, so I'm going to decide for myself which ones to give away. It's just a fucking video. Also, I'll have a nude one on my Patreon too. It'll be way better than this lame one. So, now, my first shirt is the Led Zeppelin shirt. And I like the shirt because you can wear it without shorts. So I could just keep my Bang.com shorts on. So, I'm just going to tell you right now, I'm going to have to keep this one. So, there's no fucking questioning this one right here. My next shirt I really like as well. I'm telling you right now, I'm not gonna get rid of this one either. For one thing, it has T-Rex on it. I mean, come on now. I love dinosaurs. So anyway, it says T-Rex. It says hates push-ups. Dun dun dun. It's hard to read backwards, and I forgot what it said. So the shirt's just nothing on the back, just plain. But I like this shirt too. So next shirt I have is a newly acquired shirt. It's just from like a fucking marijuana company or a place where you can buy stuff. And vice versa. Dun, dun, dun. And yeah, I think, yeah, Bud's Hydro. It's newly acquired. It does flop over my butt, so like I already know which one in this section of floor I want to get rid of. I just wanted to do this video because it was cool, a cool idea that I haven't done before. And last but not least, I have this shirt, which it was really soft when I first got it. Now it's just all lame, which is why I kind of want to get rid of it. It does smell really good from my laundry detergent, but dun 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 dun. Then on the back. So yeah, this is gonna have to be the one that I get rid of. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to go to my Patreon and subscribe to the $10 videos. And you'll get to see the uncensored version of this video. Hooray! You can find out the link for that by just going to my main website below, bobbibamf.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, la la la. I might do more videos now, so